Hello, my name is Ilya and welcome to my channel. Today we will be making a very famous Russian curd cheese pancakes called syrniki. It is a very popular breakfast dish. These pancakes are also very popular in Ukraine, Belarus and other Eastern Slavic countries. Syrniki are made from farmer cheese. In my previous video I had a simple instructions of how to make one at home with minimum effort. If you missed this video, I will add the link to the description. So last time I was able to make 770 grams of farmer cheese out of the gallon of milk. So all the proportions of this recipe are based on this quantity. You can find complete list of ingredients in the description of this video. Okay, let's get it done. Step number 1. For this recipe you need to use dry farmer's cheese. If you have store-bought one and it's not dry enough, increase the amount of semolina by a little bit. Mix egg yolks with 1 teaspoon of salt and add it to the farmer's cheese. Combine semolina flour, also known as Manka, with 1 tablespoon of sugar and add it to the farmer's cheese. Mix everything very well and let it sit for at least 30 minutes in the room temperature. Step 2. Now we can start making syrniki. Add some flour on the board. Take about 1 tablespoon of cheese mix, roll it into the bowl, and now using the knife, flatten the sides of the pancake. Alternatively, you can shape it into the tube and cut it into 1 each pieces, and then follow the same process. You can fry them in the oil until golden brown on each side, about 3 to 4 minutes on medium. If you want to reduce the amount of oil, you can use Airfryer. Spray a bit of oil, set the Airfryer for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember to flip them in the middle of the process. I'm a big fan of Airfryer, but after trying both options, I can tell you that good old-fashioned frying on the pan with an oil makes syrniki a lot tastier. Airfryer option turned out a bit dry. I have made 20 cheese pancakes from my ingredients. You can serve them with sour cream, jam or honey. Please leave comments if you like this recipe. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon.